Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this CITYCART Toe Separator for feet or toe straighteners for overlapping toes for all the fingers. See here, the very small package. Actually, I ordered this when I ordered this on the Flipkart. It asked me to order minimum quantity of two. So in this there are two pairs actually. So totally there are two pairs. Let us see, and the material details and everything we'll see it later once I open this. Okay, I'll try to just remove the package and I'll try to open this. Yeah, see here, as I said, the minimum order quantity is two, so two pairs. Okay, and remember one thing, this is not a suggestion to buy or something like that. Actually this is for the user where the orthopedician has suggested to use. So let us take this package and take this out. Okay, yeah, see here, when I try to remove and open this, very jelly sort of material, maybe silicone I guess. I'll just check in the details where I got this. Yeah, very smooth and very tender, you can say. See here, yeah, if anyone are using, please do comment your experience so that others who checks the comment will get to know about this. And I need to ask the user if they use this for like a few days, maybe if possible I'll be posting a review also. For now I'll be just keeping them back. Okay, at the time of order it came like two pairs for 230 rupees, I guess. Yes, 230 rupees. Let me just keep it here. And how many days these toe separators lasted and everything, maybe if you ask in the comments, I'll be posting another video on this. And size, for the size they mentioned like size, see here, free of size, means maybe it is ideal for men and women and maybe adjustable for any size, as they are very flexible. I showed you the material and everything, as they are very flexible. It is just saying like these toe separators are for any size, and the brand is CITYCART. Yeah, if you do have any other questions you can ask in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.